How to add or change your YouTube channel description easy and fast from YouTube app. Hello guys, so first thing we do, go to YouTube. Now this is the homepage as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and now you have to choose the your channel option right here. Now this is my channel and this is my description. I don't have a description and I want to add it. Go back to the home channel and now click on this pencil right here. Now you will find the description option, click on it, and here you go. Now from here you can add your description as you can see, and it's added easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.